Hi guys, welcome to another Total Technik video. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove the armrest here from the A4, S4 and RS4 Avant and Saloon. They all have exactly the same type fitted. Very simple to get the rear one out. Yeah, this one's actually got a broken lid, so you'll have to kind of ignore that for the sake of this video. But normally you just lift the lid up like so, and you just grab the front edge of the ashtray here and you pull up, and then the whole unit, yours will be including the lid, will come up like so. And if you take a look on the side here, the only thing that's holding these in, these little kind of compression pegs, there's one on either side like so, and they're under compression. So when I grabbed the lip and pulled it up, I pulled those free, and then you can just literally pull the whole unit out, and it just comes out in one. And like I say, yours will come out with the lid still attached, but that's it. That's how simple it is to remove these. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of the electrical connection. This clear bit of plastic that you can see protruding here is actually connected to the back of this unit. So what we want to do is get rid of the plug here. Now the plug's kind of in upside down, so it has the usual kind of compression tab, but the tab's kind of on the bottom of it. I'll just swap hands so you might not be able to see. If I pop it out, I'll be able to see better. Give me a couple of seconds. Like so. So as you can see, the whole plug was kind of in upside down, so the little compression tag there is actually underneath. So you have to reach underneath, push that in, and then slide that out, and that's out of the way. Okay, now to get this piece out, you've kind of it helps if you kind of have an understanding of exactly what's holding it in. Now, if you kind of have a little look down the back here, just on the corner of my tool there, you can see that kind of a triangular tab that's just there. Now I'll show you the piece once I've removed it at the end, and that will kind of help kind of illustrate how this is held in. But that kind of plastic tag is actually attached to this main panel, and there's one on either side of them. So those plastic tags have kind of got to be compressed and pulled out, but I'll show you how to do that now. I find the easiest way to remove these is, as I've just explained, they've got these plastic lugs on the either side here. The easiest way is just to grab it on the one side, give it a bit of a pull, and see if it wants to come out. If not, grab the other side and give it a bit of a pull, not too hard. There you can see one's prepared to pop out, so that kind of get me halfway there. And then what you want to do is give it a bit of a wiggle. Now, the one thing you've got to remember is I just showed you the little plastic lug that's on the inside there. That's still locked into place. So if pulling it won't allow it to come out, try pushing that plastic lug back a little bit. I'll try and kind of both hands to do this. Try pushing the lug back whilst pulling this forward, like so. Now I'll show you exactly how the plastic lugs work, and that will kind of give you a better understanding of how we've just popped this out. Okay, so the plastic lugs that I was pointing to a minute ago on the video is actually these ones just here. So when we were looking down on it, as before, this was the triangular piece just here that I was pointing to. Now this section feeds through here, like so, comes out of the back like that, and of course it's got this prong, so it feeds in, and as it comes through the back it snaps in there, clicks into place. So all you want to do is once you've freed it on one side, hopefully you can do that just by pulling it, then all you want to do is just push this outward to allow you to slide the whole thing out, and then with a little bit of wrestling it should come out successfully like that. If you have a look down in this compartment down in here, you can see the armrest bracket itself is these two bolts here. That's the actual bracket. Now the armrest sits on top of the bracket, and hopefully you can see that just about here. This is all part of the armrest here. This is the armrest bracket, so that's kind of the join between the two, just the tip of my finger there. So the bolt that we want to attack to get the armrest out is this one in the centre right here. It's a size 13. once you've cracked it off, they are only finger tight, so nice and easy to remove, like so. And I also, you can see the whole armrest is very keen to jump out of situ now. Before I lift it out from the top, which I'll show you from a different angle, you've also got this electrical connection just here. Now to release this one, if you just wobble it kind of side to side, and that will clip off. So that's all you need to do, is this one nut here and this electrical connection, and I'll show you how to remove this from the top now. So I've disconnected the nut and the electrical connection, and so we're now ready to remove this. I'll try and move this up for you. You don't have to, but it's just going to be make it a little bit easier for you guys to see on the video. All you do, lift this whole unit up and then back. There. The reason you have to lean it back is because it's kind of got a bit of a curved front edge on. That's literally all that holds this armrest in, is that single bolt and the electrical connection there, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So that's your armrest removed.